Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You done yam with people where you no trust? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 26 from verse 17 to verse 30. Now, the holiday when people name bread without yeast did come. On the first day of the holiday day, Jesus' special follower them come to him and say, where you want if we look after a Passover food for your name? So Jesus said, go to so-and-so in a town and tell him this. The teacher say, my time soon come. Me going to yam the Passover food with my special follower them a few house. Him follower them, do him tell them for do, and them look about the Passover food. When evening come, him go sit down at the table with him 12 follower them. And when them dead and Nyama go on, he said to them, say, me tell you this, and I chew me attack. One of you, I go sell me out. Them heart get heavy. And every one of them starts say to him, say, I can't me, Lord. Jesus answer back, the one way dip him and in a bowl with me, him I go sell me out. The man where God pick must go see him how God would say, him a go. But you see the man where sell him out, trouble for him, me tell you. Him would have better off if he name Barn. Then Judas, the said one, where did I go sell out Jesus? Hear him now. I can't me, teacher. Jesus said, you say so yourself. When time them did and yam, Jesus take the bread, give thanks, and broke it, give him follower them. Him say, take this and yam it. This are my body. Then after him take the cup and give thanks, him give them and say, all I know, drink from it. Cause this are my blood. And that blood here used to set up the new plan where God make, we don't know. And that blood here run for everybody so they can get pardon for their sin. Here we may say, me not drink no more wine till that day they come when me drink it with uno, one new way in my Father kingdom. After they sing one hymn done, them left, go on Mount Olive. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.